subscribe with notifications on.
Toothbrush so you don't mess them up again. Somebody said toothbrush are quiet. The ones that they gave us in the hotel are soft. You must use those ones. Must use the soft one.
Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club. Yeah, we are
all families,
passing.
almost all families
always
are
like that. You know,
all
driving.
families are like that.
You know,
They
just
don't
met
care.
such a
All they
nice
want is
guy,
money.
nice driver.
Give them money.
He is actually talking to us.
This one too much coming money is good.
Talking to us.
They
This
think
is
you have money.
Qatar.
Yeah.
Just because they see you smile,
The largest
they
department.
think you have a lot of money.
Nah, be too happy here.
10%.
But somebody check also, money check, be pay for you give, you send money. Also check really to me money check. Me not.
They don't know where you sleep. Where you sleep, they don't care. They just want money. from you.
My working morning 3.
आपको एनी टाइम बुला सकते हैं बच्चे
I want them
वो
to be done, and
आप उसका माँ हो
because it's
जब भी वो
inside.
हुकूमत के पास जाएगा तो बोलते बच्चे हम माँ को बुलाते हैं माँ को बुला सकते हैं सही है
You know, she's saying
तो
she
लो
operating wasn't so.
इसमें
While they're operating, it still feels swell. So now if you go like it, you know, go like it.
Even now I can feel this side is so.
It feels like she's excited to come to it.
Want something.
150. 152. You pay more.
हाँ और दूसरा बात मेरे बहनों के
And
काम
you're
में काम
three,
मत रखो
imagine.
Hey,
बोले
hey.
मुझसे पूछो
Even
इनसे
Khoza
पूछो।
man takes it.
बोलो नहीं
I keep telling Patara to yeah,
Mm,
ये कामों में
that too.
मत पड़ो
How about drop up on the babe? This is now Doha. We are passing.
Yeah.
Wait, are you sure? Yeah, on the other side. No,
Yes, yes.
it was at the beginning. We are not. It was at the beginning. This is now. We're passing Doha,
On the other side, you know what I'm saying?
the city center.
I remember that roof.
This is now city center, guys.
It was more open space. Yeah.
City center, Doha city center.
हाँ मैं उस-
Okay, you can see it is the CBD.
Yeah.
We are passing CBD. Okay,
हाँ तो मैं ऊपर चला गया
we are passing CBD. This is Doha, Qatar.
तो जब स्पॉन्सर मुझे मिलते हैं तो फिर
You know, put your wheels.
मैं क्या करूँ
When they're lighting.
Yeah, I will keep you guys posted in terms of you know, the travel and all those type of things. We are actually, you know, passing.
Shaking it.
I'm not sure where we are now, but
फिलहाल ने दो
And it's here.
तो फिर क्या फिर मैं अपने लिए खुद क्यों ना करूँ
Yeah.
मैं अपने को इतना करूँ
He decided to take those clothes and wear them.
मैं पागल हूँ
Now we're supposed to go. The clothes are dead. So now he'll need new clothes.
What is the country you're most excited for?
And those suits are going to be small if he doesn't wear them.
Yeah, you're right.
It's busy committing them. But if he doesn't wear them, they'll end up
चीज़ें मुझसे नहीं आती
What other country you're most excited for?
For me, all of them. Already, all of them.
Doha is the country I was most excited to see, and then I saw it. Now the second one I'm most excited to see.
You want Thailand, baby?
Yeah, now
और
I'm
साल
I
like,
feel like I get caught in that dark.
now
Then na babe.
I've seen
का
it a
सारा
lot.
रिकॉर्ड अपने
I've
पास
seen
रखता
everything now. Now
मैं अपना
I'm
रिकॉर्ड अपने पास नहीं रखता हूँ
Who can get in
उसका
get
वीडियो।
dark?
जैसे ऐसे रिकॉर्ड था मेरे पास उसका।
and Shamba nice what we're doing.
They're very nice.
मैं क्यों
It's so welcoming.
मैं जितना अपनी इज्जत करना लगता हूँ वैसा और लोगों का भी इज्जत करना
And I'm like, okay, if I want to go to the pool,
Yesterday,
what are you
what
gonna
she
do?
do?
What are you gonna do at the pool? She tells me, I'm gonna take pictures and then swim for a bit and then come back. So I
Is she gonna do that on her own?
So you're there just for pictures? She said, yeah.
ये मोबाइल उसने
If I
2011
can
का
take
दिया
your
था
own picture, I'll show you.
इसलिए तो मैंने
She's not making videos.
मैं पागल था
She's there knows how to take your own picture.
Yeah?
She's there for pictures.
तो उसको मैं मोबाइल दे रहा था
Not videos.
I don't know.
She did take videos. Yeah, she did take videos. She was, no, in the meantime, I don't know what first. In the meantime. Ah, shit.
There's Wi-Fi Muslims.
Ah, shit.
There's public Wi-Fi, love.
Not here.
That public Wi-Fi a weekend.
I weak is
She
here.
won in Salty Land.
So we're available in the hotel.
I'm going to start a chicken because of you.
Let's see I did and I video it.
हाँ ना वो बोला
Now I'm craving porridge,
पाकिस्तान में
guys.
बोल रहा था
Guess what magic did?
Hmm?
Guess what magic
Guys, now I'm still at my
बात
grandmother's
सुनो
place.
रात को ऐसा हुआ जब हम बैठे
My grandmother left the
तो
baby
उससे तो एक दिन
and
पहले
she must know that
10 दिन में मुझे
wherever she
बताया
is, she must
कि
just
मेरा
know
2
she
महीने
left
का
the
बच्चा
baby.
गया
Mom, guess what magic did?
तो
You see now you
10 दिन नहीं था
went to sleep and
लोग
I think
बैठा
it
हुआ
was
था
you know?
तो
That's like
था उसको मैं बोल रहा था मेरा एक दोस्त था उसका ऐसा मसला था बीवी के साथ सब कुछ किया लेकिन 2 महीने बाद उसका सारा कुछ खत्म हो गया इसलिए जैसे मांगे
Allah decided